Just got this in. So this is the Snaptain SP500. Now this is a toy grade brushed quadcopter with a GPS and an onboard camera that transmits video back to your smartphone, such as your iPhone or your Android. In your phone's Wi-Fi, you want to go to the settings, and then you want to connect to the Snaptain SP500 151807 network. Your numbers may be different. You want to choose your aircraft from the drop-down menu. SP500 should be listed, and then you can go ahead and click Start. The next step is to bind the controller to the drone. To do that, you're just going to turn it on, and that's it. It binds itself. As long as that little red light there goes solid, you are bound to the drone. Okay, so what we need to do next, we need to calibrate the compass, because this is a GPS drone, and it's not going to work without a compass. It needs to know where it's going. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to hold this north and south button here above the left joystick with a long press. Now that beep will indicate that the drone is ready to be calibrated, and you can tell based on its lights, it's not really showing the lights very well out here, but we've got solid lights here in the front. This is what you do. You turn it this way, horizontally. You're going to want to make sure there's no metal or anything nearby. Well, there's that, but it's not close enough to me. You just have to be right on top of it. No rebar in the ground, nothing. Especially when you do this compass calibration. It's important that you do that. And you turn it, and you turn it until the lights flash. Now you can do nose down. And that's it. All the lights are solid. That means you've done the compass calibration. You're ready to go. Okay. One thing I'm going to do, and that's because I've been doing this for a long time, I'm going to turn off beginner mode here in the flight parameter settings. And the reason for that is because I want to be able to fly this drone as far as I want, at the altitude that I want. I'm going to, yes, quit the beginner mode. I'm going to set the flight distance to 500 meters. I'll set the flight altitude to 120 meters and set the return altitude to something like, I'll set it to something like 70, 60. I set it to something like 60 meters. I think that should be good for where we are. You're going to want to set that return altitude depending on your area. Remember, you want to be able to come back past the tallest tree or tallest whatever it might be in your area. All right, so I'm going to start the drone with both sticks out. And there we go. There's our launch. So you click this button here once to take a photo, and you do a long press to take video, and it'll tell you that you've started recording a video on the controller. There's a little blue light right there. She's very stable where she is, that's for sure. Alright. But you can change the speed of the drone with this button here. And it'll indicate that it is in the highest speed rate with a blinking icon on here. This controller kind of just has all your status, per se. Everything does appear to be working. Alright, so I guess we're going to just go out for a flight and see how we do. I'm going to get some altitude here. Now, I believe the height value in the corner in the app indicates the meters of height that you have here. Let's fly out there and take a look at some of that development. I think that would be interesting. See how far we could go. This could be part of our distance test. The whole time we've got some good information here on screen. 68 meters. Well, I guess it looks like that's it for the distance of the Wi-Fi video. I was on, well, no, I've got 88 meters now, it says, and I'm pretty much frozen. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for the distance test. And I'm not really in a very congested area or anything. I mean, yeah, there's houses and stuff back there, but it's not like we've got tons of Wi-Fi everywhere. So that's kind of short. Let's try going in this field over here. Getting some video over out here. Oh, got some wind tossing us around out there. I can see it though. It just froze again. Okay, so yeah, pretty much I would say you're just not gonna get more than, say, 70 meters on the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna come back now. Actually, I'm gonna let it come back. I'm gonna press the return to home button. And wow, that beeping is really, really annoying with the return to home, but we're gonna let it come back. And we took off from the pad, so let's see how accurate are we here. Not too accurate. Not too accurate on that one. Oh. Okay, so, alright, so, you know, within reason, just don't take off if you're really close to something, because you're not going to have the most accurate return to home. It's not going to be pinpoint. This is a toy, so, you know, it is what it is. Now, the drone does have waypoints. Alright, so I'm going to go up here. Let's see if it can fly this mission. It should go out there now. Alright. Oh man, I'm kind of scared about this one. But at least I know that no matter what happens, I can get control back. Alright, it's doing this all by itself right now. No hands. Literally, it is flying this little waypoint mission right here in front of me. No hands, guys. My hands are off the controller. Oh, I guess that's where I set the stop. Okay, it stopped at this. Okay, so it stops where you set it to stop. That was my first time trying the waypoints. That's my house all the way over there. And I'm sure I can make it. Oh, it says my distance is limited because of low voltage. Okay, well, I'm running out of battery, so I won't be flying in my house then. Let's just go ahead and come back. I'm gonna land it myself, classic style. There we go. That's it. That is the Snaptain SP500 for you guys. If you just want to mess around, get a taste of what GPS is like, it's very easy to use. A kid could fly this. Honestly, a kid could fly this. As long as they could handle the whole, you know, compass calibration procedure and all that, yeah. I would say that even a child could fly this drone. It basically flies itself. It is a little disappointing that the range of the video is so short, but then again, this is not the kind of drone that you want to be flying super far out anyway. It is a toy. I would advise to be careful with it in the wind. These are brushed motors, which means they're pretty safe, but at the same time, they're not very powerful. All right, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review of the Snaptain SP500. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave a message down below for me, and I'll try to get back to you. As always, have a great day, guys. I'm going to go do some flying.